What you have here is a fresh curry leaf branch from my garden. What we're going to do is wash it and dry it and then have it in the microwave for about 2 minutes and you will get the dry curry leaf powder. This is the dry curry leaf and I can make it even into a finer powder by just rubbing the leaves. Here I am putting it into my microwave on paper for 2 minutes. I've cooked the curry leaves in the microwave for 2 minutes. Let's see how it is. There they are dry. And you can do this with any fresh herbs. I wish you were here to smell the aroma.